Hi guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is super tasty rice pudding made with almond milk and hints of turmeric and cardamom. It's made in absolutely no time and very easy steps to follow. So let's get started. Wash rice and boil in a pressure cooker with cardamom and enough water until 3 whistles. Remove from heat, release the steam if any, and open cooker. Place same cooker on medium heat. Check rice. For this recipe, we need sticky consistency of rice. So this looks perfect. Now add milk and sugar. Use 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to enhance the color instead of food color. Stir well. We will add custard mix now. Mix everything well. Let it boil on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring to avoid any lumps. Place ladle in the center to ensure milk doesn't stick to the bottom, and leave kheer to boil for further 10 minutes on low heat. It will start to thicken and will come together quickly. Let's check. Oh, wow, kheer is ready in no time. This looks well combined and so creamy. And best part, it is packed with delicious flavors too. Garnish with the roasted nuts. Serve it hot or cold as per your choice, and enjoy this delicious rice pudding or kheer for any occasion. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.